Welcome to another Telvox tutorial video about our web solutions powered by iApps. In our previous videos about Content Manager and Marketeer, we reviewed the basics of web publishing. We also reviewed the basics around email marketing. In this video, we're going to build on that and look at the easy-to-use form builder tools available in iApps and how to then respond to customers based on form submissions. Online forms can be used to gather information from patients on your website. With iApps, you can build as many forms as you want, gathering information from anyone you want. In this video, we're going to look at creating a thank you page, creating a new form, editing form properties, adding forms to web pages, and finally establishing automatic email alerts. With that, let's go ahead and get started. So from my iApps admin login screen, I'm going to start off in Content Manager, and I'm going to go ahead and log in. From here, I mentioned I was going to begin by creating a thank you page. So to do that, let's head over to Menus and Pages. I'm going to expand Primary Navigation, Patients, and head it over to Invisalign. The theme of this video is going to be creating a form offering free consultation for Invisalign patients. I already have an Invisalign page. In a little bit, we'll create the form. What I'm going to do first is create a thank you page. After all, when a user fills out a form, they should be brought to a thank you page. So let's go ahead and add a new page here. And I'm going to call this page Thank You. I'm going to choose my template. I can fill in all of my SEO properties, and I'm going to save this page and view it in Site Editor. Great. And very simply, we'll keep this as a very easy page. Let's save that content. Now save it into our content library. And let's just add a little more text here. Perfect. Thank you for your interest in Invisalign. We will be responding to you via email to inform you we have received your request. Let's save that content. Great. I'm going to go ahead and publish out my thank you page. All right, now let's go ahead and create the form to put on our Invisalign page. To do that, I'm going to head over to our Invisalign page, and I'm going to go back into edit mode by clicking on my pencil icon. From here, let's go ahead and insert a form and create a new form. I'll put this in my marketing folder, and let's title this Invisalign Free Consultation. My submit button text perhaps will be submit. And my thank you URL, well, let's go ahead and choose that page we just created. Perfect. Let's go ahead and save and edit our form. We're going to keep this as a pretty simple form with a text box for name, a text box for email, and perhaps a radio button for best time to call. Go ahead and make your name and label the same thing. All right, nice simple form right here. What I'm going to do on my email tab is I'm going to set validation to email to ensure that users are actually putting in an email address. I'm also going to go ahead and make this required. Let's save my form. Now that our form is saved, we're going to edit the properties of the form so that we can set up an autoresponder. To do so, I'm going to go ahead and edit my form properties. From here, we're going to choose Add Submitter as Contact. We're going to make the email field ID based off of email, and we're going to click Save. Perfect. Once again, let's go ahead and publish out my page. Great. As a test run, now when I fill out my form, I should be brought to my thank you page. Perfect, I am. Now let's go ahead and set up our autoresponder, that triggered email that the patient should receive whenever they fill out this form about their interest in Invisalign. To do this, we're going to head over to Marketeer by scrolling and heading over to our Marketeer dashboard. Alright, from our Marketeer dashboard, we're going to head over to Campaigns, and we're going to create an autoresponder. We're going to name this autoresponder Invisalign Free Consultation. Our sender name will be Ethan Ortho. Our sender email address and in our triggered action, we're going to say that this user submitted a form. We're going to choose the Invisalign Free Consultation form and click Save. Now let's go ahead and add a new email. I'm going to choose my template and put in my subject line. And maybe we're going to send this email out 5 minutes after the prospective patient fills out this form. Now let's click Continue. And now we could go on and fill out all the body content. I would put in a banner, and I could edit text. So pretty simple email here, right? Thank you for your interest in Invisalign. We will call you back shortly. In the meantime, read this great article. Of course, when I click Save, I'll save this into my content library. And I would be able to go in and edit the content and create new content and images all around this email. Once I was happy with the email, I would click Save and Close. And that's it. Now, whenever a user fills out the Invisalign Free Consultation form, they're automatically going to get this triggered email, or what we call an autoresponder. From here, we could even go on and add more autoresponders and more emails based off of the one action of filling out the Invisalign Free Consultation. So with that, you can start managing your website and online presence today by going to www.televox.com/IAPS/support. Or, if you still need to sign up for your Televox website powered by IAPS, please go to www.televox.com/IAPS/site survey.